Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, I'll be teaching you a beginner-friendly way to catch turtle soups. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you a concept which can help you, even though you are a beginner, to actually catch turtle soups. Okay, in case you don't know what a turtle soup is, a turtle soup is simply a trading system, all right, whereby you have price going above an eye, for example. So price run above an eye, and then moves in the opposite direction impulsively. Okay, so price goes above an eye, taking the liquidity above that eye, then pushes downwards in an aggressive manner. Okay, so that's what turtle soup is all about. We also have the situation whereby price goes below a low. Okay, it could be relative equal lows, and then once price has taken the liquidity below it, price pushes in the opposite direction aggressively. Okay, so there are a lot of technicalities that actually go into the concept of turtle soup, some of which I have already covered in my other turtle soup videos, but this particular video is aimed at simplicity. Okay, I'm trying to simplify it in a way that even a beginner can also catch these turtle soup trades. Okay, so what are you going to do if you want to actually catch this turtle soup trading system as a beginner? What I tell people is just place an horizontal line at the tip of the eye. Any eye that forms, you place an horizontal line at that tip. Then you wait for price to violate that horizontal line, meaning price should go, if you're trying to sell and you have placed an horizontal line above at the tip of an eye, you wait for price to do what? To go above that line and then close below the line. Then you take your trade, placing your stop loss beyond that line. I have some examples I've already marked out so you see what I actually mean. Okay, so what you have right here, let me start and zoom in a bit. What you have right here is an eye. You can see price was moving upward in the opposite direction, then it started moving down, right, leaving you with an eye up here. Okay, so all you just need to do is you just place your horizontal line at the tip of that eye, then you wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, so price has to close above this eye. It doesn't have to close above the eye, it could actually sweep it. Okay, it could be a liquidity sweep. If it closes above, then it's like a fake out, which is also good. All you just need is for price to go above this eye and close below it. Okay, that closing below it shows that there's an intention to move downwards. Then you can enter the trade, place your stop loss above the eye. Okay, so let's see what happened. So look at this. This is the fake out model. Okay, this is your fake out model. So price closed above the eye right here, then close back in below that eye. That's where you take your trade. Okay, your stop loss is going to be right above this level. All right, then you target opposing liquidity. You can see the way price swept it. Okay, and even went beyond that. So basically that's just the system. You place your horizontal line. You normalize placing horizontal lines at the tip of highs and at the tip of lows. Right, so that basically that's what you are going to be doing with this particular system. It helps you catch turtle soups. Look at this also. You have an eye right here. Okay, you have an eye right here. I'll just place an horizontal line at that tip, at the tip of that eye right here. Okay, so what do you see happening? You have price coming above the eye. Okay, sweeping the liquidity there, and then closed below it. So you would have entered when price closed below that level. Then you place your stop loss where? Place your stop loss right here. Okay, and then you manage your trade to the downside. Okay, so basically that's just the concept. Normalize placing a horizontal line above highs, at the tip of highs and at the tip of lows. Look at this. If I place my horizontal line at this low right here, okay, I placed it at this low. What happened? Price violated it and moved in the downward direction, but it did come back to close above it. No, it did not. So I don't need to be expecting price to come and close above it if it's going to work. Okay, an extra tip now: if it's going to work fast. If it's taking time and price is just continuing in the downward direction, please do not try to trade this. Okay, so if it's going to work, it's going to work fast. Look at this. When you place this here, okay, at this high, what did you see happening? Price went above it and below it quite fast. So it's a trade that happens fast. If it's taking time, then it means your trade idea is wrong. So do not try to trade it. Okay, so what do we have right here? Look at this. Let me see. I'm trying to place an horizontal line above this. Okay, so look at this right here. This is an eye, right? And you can see price move down from there. So let's see what happened. At this level, price went above it, closed below it. Where you would have entered your trade, place your SL at that level. Okay, and see the way price pushed in the downward direction. So basically that's just how the trade idea works. It's kind of simple. Place your horizontal line at the tip of highs and at the tip of lows. Wait for price to actually sweep, okay, go above it and then close below it. Then you enter a sell trade. Or if it's the other way around, that's to go below the low you have drawn and then close above it, then enter a buy trade. So basically that's just how this works. So if you got any value from this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.